The first screen in the system that you will view is your dashboard. The dashboard consists of report charts that are interactive with the reports in the system. It's customizable by the user, and the placement or the size of the tiles is also adjustable by the user. The ellipsis to the right of the screen will allow me to rearrange the tiles. So if I would rather have today's open shifts as my first screen, I can click on that, move it, and then click Save, and it will reposition the tiles on the screen. And now today's open shift would be that first screen. If I want to put things back, I just slide things down, click Save, and it'll return to its original form. The charts are interactive with various reports in the system, and the bar charts would represent filters within those reports. So let's say, for example, in today's census, I wanted to see the names of the people that were assigned to Engine 5. If I mouse over Engine 5, it'll give me a head count. It'll let me know by rank that I have 1 captain and 3 firefighters. If I click on the bar, it's actually going to launch the summary by employee report, and that report will be filtered just for Engine 5, and now I can see the names of the people, starting with the captain and the firefighters and the shift that they have for that particular day. Clicking on the Prime Point logo will always take me back to my dashboard. Another feature of the dashboard is the ability to resize the tiles. So in this middle section, I've got my scheduled but absent. So this would be people that are scheduled that haven't clocked in yet, but all the slices in the pie aren't visible because there are many. If I go to the ellipsis within a particular tile, I can adjust the tile width and tell it to grow, and now I have a much larger chart and I have a lot more detail on the screen. So in this report, clicking in the pie will let me know that there are 5 people in ladder 2 that are not yet clocked in, and if I click on that slice of pie, again it'll launch a different report, the late early absent report, and I can now see the names of the people that have not clocked in yet and the shift that they are supposed to attend. If I needed to add time off to that person for the day, if they called off, I could click on the Edit Timesheet button, and now I have the ability to go into today, which has the red dot, select a type of time off, and go right to the raw total column and put in the number of hours that they should have on that particular day and click Save. Again, clicking on the Prime Point logo will take me back to my dashboard. If I go to my ellipsis, I can adjust my tile width to shrink it so that it comes back and I can see my 3 charts. You can have up to 6 charts on your dashboard. If I go to the third chart, which is today's open shift, it'll show me the number of open shifts in any of the apparatus. So if I wanted to fill the open shift in Engine 2, I could click right on that bar chart. It'll take me to the open shift report, and clicking on the pencil will now allow me to edit that shift. I can edit every attribute of the shift once this loads up. I could change the rank of the person, or I can come down to the employee list, click on a drop down, and it'll provide me with a list of all the employees that are eligible for that shift. Or I can go into a list view, and I could bring up the list where I could see a little more detail about the names of the people, and these fields are customizable once again in the report. If I click on this qualification summary, it'll show me a list of all the people that are not available and the reasons why. For example, somebody's shift overlaps the open shift that I have, or somebody is not permitted to work in that particular location, or they don't have the skill to work in that location. Clicking on my Prime Point logo once again takes me back to my dashboard, and that is how dashboards operate.